Do you want to use your mobile phone as webcam or you don't have the money to buy the costliest webcam? Then this video is right for you. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use your mobile phone as webcam for 100% free and connect that in the OBS Studio software using a website called OBS Ninja. OBS Ninja is also known as Video Ninja. So this is a free 100% free website available on Google. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser. So in my case it's Edge. So and search for OBS Ninja. So after searching you will find first link that called Video Ninja. So click on that video.
So this is the link for the site. Once you are in there, you can see this is the interface of the website.
Want to give the name of this invite, so I am giving my channel's name Computer Geek. So click on invite link. Before that, check on the options. So we make sure that the video resolution is user selectable, because so that only you can modify during the webcam recording the resolution of the video. And you can add password if you want. So this is for additional security purposes, so I am not adding in my case. Okay, let's generate the invitation link.
Now you can either copy this link or you can scan this QR code through your mobile so that you can open this link in the mobile that you want to use as webcam. In my case, I am going to copy this link in the clipboard and I am going to email this link to my mobile, and I gonna open this in my mobile phone.
That took some minutes. So yeah, I sent the invitation link to my mobile through email. You can use whatever method you want. So after sending, let's switch to the mobile screen here. Yeah, so after opening the link, it shows like this. So tap on this share your camera option. Now your Chrome browser asks you about the permission about allowing camera and microphone. So click on allow. So I'm using this only this time for security purposes. Okay, yeah, now the camera is up. So also you want to click on this OBS browser icon. I mean, you want to click on this OBS browser source link, and after clicking that, create a new tab and paste and go. Yeah, okay. Now you can see a blank screen. In your mobile, you want to uh, click on which camera you want to. So if I select camera 2, yeah, this is camera 2. Now you can see the loading screen. You can also select the audio sources and click start button once you are ready. So yes
So
guys,
yes
so
guys,
this
so
is
this
the
is the
setup of
setup
my
of my
mobile
mobile
phone as
phone
a
as
webcam
webcam
to
to
my
my
PC,
PC,
so you
so you
can
can
see
see
my
my
monitor
monitor
screen
screen
here.
here.
Okay guys,
Okay
now
guys,
I
now
am
I
going
am
to
going
show
to
you
show you
how
how
you
you
can
can
use
use
this
this
image in
image
your
in your
OBS
OBS
studio.
Studio.
So that
So
is
that is
right
right
here.
here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that is
that
right
is
here.
right here.
So it
So
is
it is
so
so
simple
simple
guys, so
guys. So
you
you
just
just
need
need
to
to
copy
copy
this
this
link.
link.
So
So
copy,
copy it,
copy,
copy,
and go
and
to
go
your
to your
OBS
OBS
studio.
Studio.
In
In
that,
that,
click on
click on
add,
add
and
and
click
click
browser,
browser,
and create new
create new
browser,
browser,
and
and
yeah,
yeah,
okay.
okay.
So
So
now
now
it
it
asks
asks
which one
which one
you
you
want
want
to
to
add
add
as
as
processors.
processors.
So
So
Here the URL must be the copied URL. So paste the copied URL, guys. So click on OK. Now, yeah, the webcam, you can see the webcam here, guys. So this is how you want to add your webcam to your OBS Studio, guys.
Okay guys, so I think this video is useful for you guys. So if you like this video, give a like button and smash that subscribe button so that you can follow me and you get more such content. Follow me guys. Thank you for watching.